Hey, I'm Vanessa, and the Amoretti crew and I just touched down here in beautiful Chicago. We're gonna go behind the scenes at XO Marshmallow to see exactly how they incorporate Amoretti Extracts into their process. Are you ready? Let's go.
This is Lindzi.
And this is Kat.
And we're
XO Marshmallow.
I'm Kat. I am one of the owners of XO Marshmallow, and I actually oversee a lot more of our production.
And I'm Lindzi. I'm the other owner of XO Marshmallow, and I oversee our social media, marketing, and a little bit of the business side of things.
Our cafe menu is so great because it allows you to try so many different flavors of not just marshmallows, but other applications for marshmallows. So you can come and you can get a s'more. We have a whole line of signature s'mores. We have hot chocolate. We also have a variety of frozen drinks that are really great as well.
Yeah, I think people also don't always realize we're also a full service coffee shop as well. We open as early as 8 a.m. So if you want to come in and for whatever reason, marshmallows aren't really your vibe that morning, you can get a latte, you can get a hot chocolate, you can get a matcha that doesn't necessarily have marshmallows on top. Even though we know our marshmallows are super high quality and delicious, we also make sure that our coffee and our matcha and everything like that is also up to the highest quality.
We use Amoretti in a lot of our products. One of my favorite applications for our Amoretti extracts has been in our advent calendars that we put out every year. It's an opportunity for our customers to get 25 different flavored marshmallows. And so it's not just that there's one marshmallow in there, but that people absolutely love the advent calendars. We've been doing them for 6 years?
Six.
This is our 6th year. And we have both new customers and just repeat customers will constantly come back just to be able to try the variety. And it works out from a production side because we can start producing them knowing that flavor is still gonna hit our customers at the right day, even if we have to make it a few months ahead of time. So it's really a win-win for us.
Yeah, and it's also a research opportunity for us. So we want to give the customers a variety. So of the 25 marshmallows, typically about half, sometimes a little bit more than half, are flavors that you can only get in the advent calendar. And we use that as an opportunity to R&D using new ingredients and then see what's going to work next year. So at the end of the year, we actually sent out an advent calendar feedback survey and asked people to rank the flavors. What did they like? What did they not like? And those flavors typically end up becoming the marshmallows of the month for the next year. Now, we even do a lot of corporate gifting too, which we've been a little surprised by, but a few years ago, we did all the corporate gifting for Tiffany's, so we had to work to create like the perfect Tiffany blue marshmallow. We've done corporate gifts for Facebook, for Google, so whenever we get to do something custom, it's always challenging, but fun. We opened up our cafe after only being online for about a year, and a month into opening our cafe, we were on the Today Show and the front page of BuzzFeed and Vogue and 17 magazine and all these things that we just weren't expecting. And we were so glad to see that, to Kat's point earlier, people loved marshmallows as much as we did.
I love coming to XO Marshmallow in Lincoln Park here in Chicago because it is one of the most unique environments to work from home, or as I've been telling people, work from Marshmallow Cafe. The flavors of these marshmallows are awesome. What I have are some of my favorites right here. This is the mint chocolate chip, but really all of the flavors are super unique. One of the fun things that you can do is you can actually put the marshmallows also in your coffee drinks, which I love. One of my favorite things is just fun coffees with different flavors. So you can get like a latte and melt one of the marshmallows on top. And my niece and nephew just love the flavors. They have this like orange dreamsicle flavor and birthday cake, and it's really fun. So I become officially the fun aunt with the marshmallows when I come to visit them. So yeah, I encourage everyone to stop by.
I would say that our first few batches of making marshmallows were really focused on finding fresh, delicious ingredients. And that often involved a lot of steps, maybe making a syrup from the start using, muddling fruit, all of that, which was great. But when you start making marshmallows for hundreds of people instead of maybe 10 people, it can get very cumbersome. So we really wanted to streamline as we grew and as we scaled. We wanted to, again, give people what they wanted. very hard to find a cotton candy marshmallow flavor that isn't actually cotton candy. And so it led us down a journey to find the best possible extract for our customers. And that's kind of how we found Amoretti was, let's test these out, and loved all of the natural extract options. And then as we have grown, so has Amoretti. So we just have like nonstop ideas, ingredients, things we can mix together. So it's been really great. You know, for Amoretti having 3,000 lines, we probably have 3,000 ideas. We have lots and lots of ideas, and some come from our customers, some come from our employees. So whenever we have a chance to test out something new, we absolutely do. And we love taking a flavor and expanding on it, or saying, you know what, this was a really good base. Let's add another level and throw in something unexpected.
Sour Blue Raspberry was originally an advent calendar exclusive, and then that year it ended up ranking, I think, number 2 as the favorite flavor in the advent. It became a marshmallow of the month, went viral, so it became a seasonal marshmallow, went viral, and so now it's part of our full-time collection. So I'm sure you see a lot more orders for sour and for raspberry extract. I mean, you have to remember, we've been doing this for 8 or 9 years at this point. We have made a lot of marshmallows. Top 3 is pistachio, which we actually have right now. It's fantastic, very like savory, not too sweet. Second's gonna be lavender honey. You're gonna notice a theme. I tend to like the savory flavors. And third, I think, is gonna be matcha.
Some of the flavors we actually started with go back to like our very first round of marshmallows, where we were steeping lavender, where we were, you know, grinding up matcha. I would say if we are making them today, we're adding a little bit of Amoretti love in all of them.
So the nice thing is we do have a thriving e-commerce site. We're also available on TikTok Shop, so you can head to our website at xomarshmallow.com. And we ship nationwide within 3 to 5 business days. We also are currently available in about 2,500 mom and pop shops. They're around the country. So if you head to our website, you can check out our where to buy and see if they're somewhere near you.
Thank you guys so much for allowing the Amoretti crew to come out, taking us behind the scenes, giving us a complete tour of the facility, showing us how marshmallows are made and exactly how Amoretti fits into that. So really thank you guys. I know that we had talked a lot about the marshmallow process and how Amoretti fits into it, but now we're at the tail end of it, and I see a bunch of good stuff in front of me. Can you tell me exactly what it is I'm looking at?
Yeah, so these are some of our favorite things from our cafe and from our company. We have a s'more that is our salted caramel s'more, one of our signature items, made with our gluten-free graham crackers.
And we've got one of my personal favorite things. This is our s'mores cold brew. So if you like a little sweet, but you also need some coffee, you've got to try the s'mores cold brew float.
Okay, and what is that on top?
So this is our OMG or Ooey Marshmallow Goodness. It's our version and our better version of marshmallow fluff topped with chocolate and our crushed gluten-free graham crackers.
These are the funfetti marshmallows that we made yesterday. We're gonna actually finish off our toasted marshmallow latte with a couple of the marshmallows on top. So if you wanna plop some in, however many you're feeling, and I will, is 3 good?
Yeah, go for it.
So we're gonna toast our funfetti marshmallows. Can you guys tell us what our viewers should expect in the next Philly Bites?
Yeah, of course. So this is our 6th year of doing our beloved and famous Marshmallow Advent Calendar. So we're really excited for that to be coming out this holiday season. You're probably going to end up with anywhere from like 15 to 18 brand new flavors that you've never seen before. So it's a great way for people to try the Amoretti flavors and also try some new marshmallow flavors they may have never tried before.
I'm excited. So in the Advent calendar, I know that it offers a bunch of different flavors. About how many of those contain Amoretti extract?
Most of them are gonna have some version of Amoretti because the flavors are just too good to pass up.
When will your customers be seeing that release?
Yeah, so our Advent crackers actually tend to come out in August.
Okay.
It's a pretty early pre-order because there's such a high demand for them. This is also our 2nd year of doing a Halloween Advent calendar, which also uses a lot of Amoretti flavors, a lot of like candy-based marshmallows from chocolate to licorice to candy corn. That will be out in July.
And can customers order those for delivery?
They can, yeah. If they head to our website, xomarshmallow.com, we ship nationwide. We even ship to Canada, Mexico, UK, Australia, New Zealand. So we're on all major social platforms, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff. You can find us at XO.Marshmallow. You get to see all the delicious behind the scenes, the pull apart, even behind the scenes at our cafe, showing our staff making all these yummy drinks and treats.
If you guys don't follow XO Marshmallow, click that follow button. Their content is super neat, very engaging, and I promise you will be happy you did.
Thank you guys for coming along on the journey and going behind the scenes of XO Marshmallow. I had so much fun, and it was very interesting to see exactly how they incorporated Amoretti Extracts. For more information about XO Marshmallow, please feel free to visit their social media handles at XO.Marshmallow. For more information about Amoretti and the flavors we have to offer, feel free to reach out to any one of our social media people. You can also find more information on our website at www.amoretti.com. Till next time, bye!